Now that we are adults, this is the kind of thing we gotta do. And I'm gonna share it with you because it helps me do it. Yeah. Two things I told myself before being a parent. A, I would never cut off the crusts to sandwich. It's a waste. The crust is fine. Eat it. Then my kids started eating their sandwiches with leaving the crust. So I just started cutting it off so that I'm not wasting jam and peanut butter on this excess that they don't eat anyways. And now I'm cutting the crust off of my sandwiches. Number two, I told myself that this kind of crap would never be purchased and or brought into my household. However, I have a 2-year-old daughter, loves kitty cats, loves sparkly, loves pink, loves bags. It is now a Christmas gift that she will treasure and I will loathe. But anyways, time to clean up. So fridge, cupboard, garbage, bread. Dishcloth looking a little grubby, just fold it so the grubby's on the inside. Problem solved. This drawer I like to keep nice and organized. It's called shit I don't want on the counter. What are you doing on the counter? Oh, gotta take the recycling out. Close enough. I just love that there are cabinets like these. You know? And then there are these. The volume didn't work here, so now the dishes are done. I just have this oil I gotta dump down the drain. Don't do that. Make sure to leave your spouse a little friendly reminder that he too can clean the kitchen. And just when you think you're done, what is this? Am I done? Absolutely not. But am I done? Absolutely yes. Now I can just sit back, relax, not be stressed out at all about mess because I just took care of it. Damn it. All right, on to the next mess.